Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you.
Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you are watching this video for the first time, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, you watching these videos because you want to make money online, and with this video you are going to be seeing the secret behind this result you are seeing on the screen. You can make thousands of dollars online weekly from home, even as a beginner that have no experience about affiliate marketing at all. Yes, so what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the platform where you can promote or sell products for companies and get commission for each product to sell. Yes, commission, I mean the percentage from the total price of the product you sold which belongs to you because you market and sell the product for the company. And there are many things to consider for you to become a successful affiliate marketer, because affiliate marketing is just like real life marketing, which involves the product, the buyer and the seller. Also we have the marketing, which is the difference, because on digital marketing is the digital way of selling products online, while normal marketing is what we're familiar with buying things online from store and from marketplace. Yes, so for you to become a successful affiliate marketer, there are things to consider, which one of them is that you need customers which are going to be promoting your products to, which are going to be buying your products. Yes, you call them leads or traffics online, and there are different ways by which you can get traffic to your platform or your affiliate platform so that you can get sales. We have to major. We have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Let me start from the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a method whereby you pay digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create adverts for your products and select targeted audience which you promote your products to. Yes, that's a way of promoting in a paid traffic system. For instance, when you are browsing on YouTube, advert pops up and say click this, watch this. That's one of the adverts that was paid for to be promoted by anyone that paid for them. Also, we have the free traffic system, which is what I use for this great result you can see on the screen. Yes, as a affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and over the years I've developed several softwares because of the issues I have with affiliate marketing. Also, when I started affiliate marketing, I didn't get sales. I was discouraged, but with time, due to my experience and my knowledge of software development, I've come up with different softwares which I've used to promoting my products to get sales. And presently I have a software which has been giving me excellent results, like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this software works by gathering targeted organic traffic online and promoting your affiliate products or affiliate links to these targeted traffic for you to get commission. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing beautiful. As you can see on the screen, this is the excellent results. Yes, using my software, you are going to be having access to thousands of targeted organic traffic online daily, and the software will promote any of your products to this targeted traffic for you to get commission. And with my software, you're going to be earning thousands of dollars weekly and hundreds of dollars daily. Like on a daily basis with Clickbank affiliate marketing, you will be earning $700, $500, $600. It depends on the number of sales you made per day. Yes, and it is easy because you don't need to have any experience in affiliate marketing or with Clickbank before you can start making money on this platform. So to get started and to start earning, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to somebody can see on the screen for more details about the software and how to go about making money with affiliate marketing from home. Yes, once again, I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.